YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what they sent us for a review. And you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that and check out the other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And we shall see what it is. Oh, man. They got this up good. Okay. Cut. There we go. Got another box. So it is an unboxing. See? There we go. Alright, what is this? Hopefully it's easy to install. Oh, this comes from Hisummer. They have a lot of ceiling lights and stuff like that, so good stuff for your home, especially this one right here. Something new, AC vent fan. Perfect time. Summertime is here. 4x10. I think that's what my vents are. So we should be good to go. We got registered booster fan, double quiet DC motor, 10 speeds, PWM control, 12-hour time shutdown LED display, high strength aluminum alloy panels. Comes with a remote control, low noise, and minimum heat output. And this will be perfect for the summertime or springtime now, since we got spring sales going, Prime Day sales going. They got 3 different colors to choose from. I'm not sure what color they sent me, but either color is fine with me. I don't judge. I don't wear a robe. Here we go. Come on, Boxy. Then we got the manual, of course. Better living experience. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got some screws. And a zip tie. If you can see it. There's a zip tie all the way up. And, ooh, it's a black one. Alright. This will look nice in my room. That's where I'm going to install it. Oh, this is easy. Just put it over and plug it in. Oh, sweet. Yeah, anyone can do it. If I can install this, you can install it. It's that simple. Yeah, this is definitely something different. I might have to do my whole house with these. So we got the trusty old remote. Celsius, Fahrenheit. Gloves are too big. Oh, I got a rip in it. Oh well, you can see my thumb. Fan, sleep, cool, heat. Whoa. Alright. Come on out. Don't be shy. But yeah, definitely check them out and see what other goodies they have though. But this is going to be cool. I'll just rip that off because it looks weird. There we go. So that's good. So I can just swap out my old, pop these in. I'm not going to screw them in yet. But I think I have 2 vents or 3 in my room. 2 or 3, I forgot what it was, but for right now, maybe in here. So I do got one right down there. And I could use that extension as a plug. Or I got a sidewall. Okay, I think I might install it in here. So I use this room a lot more now for videos and all that other stuff. Ooh, this is cool. Hisummer. Hisummer. See, in case you lose the remote, they got backup options right there. There's where you install the screws right there. So yeah, this definitely should fit most home vents. Measure it, do what you need before purchase. Oh, that was loud. See? That's good stuff. There we go. Keep it right there for now. good photo shot. Thumbnail. We need those thumbnail, guys. Oh yeah. Right there. So easy to install. AC vent fan. We're gonna get it rocking in a second. I just gotta clean up that area right now. Alright guys, here we are down on the floor. Down in the nitty gritty. Look at that fan go. 68. You hit this right here. You can switch. Look at this. Air conditioning, heat, fan, sleep mode, timer, right up there. You can see it. So AC, you're gonna want it lowered. There we go. And then I'm gonna keep the fan. Get some air circulating through. I haven't had my AC turned on yet because it's still not there yet at the temperatures I want it to be at outside. So it's about 70 degrees out today, so lows in the 50s, I think. So not yet for the AC, but pretty soon. But right now we're just testing this out. I think this is a good spot right here. Don't mind the wires. I still got to tuck that in and figure out the rest. But definitely easy peasy install. And check them out. It's working. You can see the fan going right there. So really cool stuff. Super quiet. Oh, there we go. We got level 9. That's on full blast high. I noticed the difference already. I can feel it. Oh yeah. Super cool. Yeah, I wish I had more of these now. I would definitely run the whole house with these. I like the black color too. So definitely a nice color touch. But they do have other options for you guys. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Place your order now. Have a good weekend and take it easy.